Welcome to Your Reviews. If you're passionate about the depths beneath and eager to plunge into the world of underwater drones, you're in for a treat. Before we dive deep into the top 7 underwater drones making waves this year, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated on all things innovative and exciting. Now, let's embark on a journey together as we explore the cutting-edge technology that's reshaping the way we discover the mysteries hidden beneath the surface. Securing the 7th spot on our list is the remarkable WAYDOO Subnado underwater scooter. This is a sleek and powerful underwater scooter that can propel you up to 6 km/h and up to 40 meters deep. It has a dual-motor design that gives you precise control and maneuverability. It also has a detachable battery that can last up to 45 minutes, and a waterproof LED display that shows you the speed, depth, and battery level. The Subnado is compatible with GoPro cameras, so you can easily mount them on the scooter and record your underwater adventures. The Subnado is a great choice for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of underwater gliding. Coming in at number 6 is the Camoro 100M underwater drone, with claw real-time steaming for fishing diving. This is a versatile and multifunctional underwater drone that can do more than just take photos and videos. It has a robotic claw that can grab and release objects up to 1.5 kilograms, making it ideal for fishing, treasure hunting, or underwater rescue. It also has a 4K UHD camera that can capture stunning details and colors, and a 100-meter tether that connects to a remote controller and a smartphone app. You can stream the live video to your phone or tablet and control the drone with the joystick and buttons. The Camoro is a perfect device for anyone who wants to explore and interact with the underwater world. But wait, the excitement doesn't end there. Seizing the 5th position is the Chasing Dory underwater drone. Palm-sized 1080p, Full HD underwater drone with camera for real-time viewing, APP remote control, and portable with carrying case, Wi-Fi buoy, and 49 feet tether, ROV. This is a compact and lightweight underwater drone that can fit in your palm and in your backpack. It has a 1080p Full HD camera that can tilt up and down, and a f1.6 lens that can capture clear and bright images even in low light conditions. It also has a Wi-Fi buoy that connects to your smartphone via an app, and a 49-foot tether that allows you to control the drone up to 15 meters deep. You can see the live video on your phone screen and share it with your friends on social media. The Dory is a simple and affordable device for anyone who wants to have fun and capture memories underwater. PowerVision's Powerray Explorer underwater drone claims the 4th spot. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD video camera, remote control, and live stream capability. This is a sophisticated and advanced underwater drone that can do more than just exploration and diving. It has a 4K Ultra HD video camera that can record stunning footage, and a 12-megapixel still camera that can take high-quality photos. It also has a remote controller that has a 5-inch LCD screen, and a VR headset that can give you an immersive and realistic experience. You can also stream the live video to your smartphone or tablet, and use the app to access various features and modes. The Powerray can also detect fish, measure water temperature and depth, and lure fish with a built-in light. The Powerray is an amazing device for anyone who wants to enjoy and enhance their underwater activities. Our podium takes us even deeper into the oceanic realm with the FIFISH V-EVO 4K underwater drone at number 3. This is a powerful and intelligent underwater drone that can perform complex tasks and movements. It has a robotic arm that can grab and manipulate objects up to 3 kg, and an AI vision lock that can track and follow targets automatically. It also has a 4K camera that can rotate 360 degrees and a 100-meter tether that connects to a remote controller and a smartphone app. You can see the live video on your phone or tablet and control the drone with the joystick and buttons. The FIFISH can also measure water temperature, depth, and direction, and has a sonar system that can detect obstacles and avoid collisions. The FIFISH is a remarkable device for anyone who wants to experience and master the underwater environment. The runner-up, claiming the second spot, is the Chasing Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. Is a sleek and elegant underwater drone that can dive up to 100 meters deep and capture stunning footage. It has a 4K UHD camera that can tilt up and down, and a f3.0 lens that can deliver crisp and vivid images. It also has a remote controller that has a 5-inch LCD screen and a smartphone app that can give you more options and features. You can stream the live video to your phone or tablet and adjust the tilt lock and depth lock modes. The Gladius Mini can also detect fish, measure water temperature and depth, and has a LED light that can illuminate the dark areas. The Gladius Mini is a beautiful device for anyone who wants to explore and admire the underwater scenery. Finally, reigning supreme at the top of our list is the Chasing M2 Professional Underwater Drone. Is the ultimate underwater drone that can do anything and everything you can imagine. It has an 8-thruster vector layout that gives it unparalleled speed, stability, and maneuverability. It can move in any direction, rotate 360 degrees, and hover in place. It also has a modular design that supports multiple mounts, such as cameras, lights, sonars, robotic arms, and more. You can customize the drone according to your needs and preferences. It also has a built-in battery that can last up to 4 hours and can be replaced easily. The M2 can connect to a remote controller and a smartphone app via a 200-meter tether. You can see the live video on your phone or tablet and control the drone with the joystick and buttons. The M2 can also measure water temperature, depth, and direction, and has an anti-jam motor that can prevent entanglement and damage. The M2 is the ultimate device for anyone who wants to unleash their creativity and potential underwater.